Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Arvinder Kaur. You ever noticed that sometimes science feels difficult or abstract for children? But what if we could turn those concepts into activities, creativity, and expression? Today, let us explore how we can transform our science classroom into a space of creativity, innovation, and joyful learning. Because when science meets art, learning becomes unforgettable.
In my previous series, part 1 and part 2, I have already explained the meaning of term art integration. If you want to understand the concept, please watch those videos also. Let's begin with today's video. So first activity can be water cycle role play. In this, divide the class into small group, assign role. One student will be sun, other water, then cloud, rain. Ask student to prepare simple props. Yellow paper for sun, cotton for clouds, blue ribbon or droplets for the rain. Draw simple water cycle diagram on the board. Now guide them what dialogue they will speak. So after the performance, ask a reflective question. What caused evaporation? Why does rain fall? So definitely this type of activity ensures conceptual clarity. Now I will show you one video how you can conduct this activity in your classroom.
I am the sun. I give heat and help water evaporate. I collect water droplets in the sky. I fall down as rain.
All right, class, show us your weather play.
I'm the sun shining bright. I'm the cloud fluffy and white. I'm the rain pitter patter.
Wonderful job, everyone.
Next activity will be parts of plant collage. In this, divide the student into group. Ask them to draw a large plant outline. Let them paste material creatively to represent roots, stem, leaves, and flower. While they work, walk around and ask, what is the function of root? Why are leaves green? So finally ask each group to present their collage. So this type of presentation will strengthen their learning.
Okay, everyone, look at the chart. We have roots, stem, and leaves. Now, use the leaves and paper to label each part.
Okay.
Great job, everyone. You're doing wonderfully.
Third activity will be food chain drama. For food chain, we conduct a short drama. Assign roles like grass, deer, lion to the student. Give simple headbands or paper badges to the student. Ask them to act out energy flow. So as grass, I make my own food. As deer, I eat grass. As lion, I eat deer. Then draw arrows on the board. Grass, deer, lion. Ask student, who is the producer? Who is the consumer? So drama builds definitely retention.
Hey, class, let's learn about energy flow. Line up, grass, deer, then lion. Show me the sequence.
I am grass. I make my own food using sunlight. I eat grass to get energy. I am lion. I eat deer.
The next will be states of matter activity. This is demonstration activity. Show an ice cube solid, let it melt liquid, show boiling water picture or animation. Ask student to observe carefully, then ask them what changed. Did the substance change or not? Encourage them to draw 3 states in their notebook artistically. So this type of observation definitely indulges them into deep learning.
Watch closely. The ice is melting into water. Now it's turning into a gas. See the steam?
Whoa, it's steaming! From solid to liquid to gas. I am solid. I have a fixed shape. I am liquid. I take the shape of my container. I'm gas. I'm spreadware. Let's spray your best.
Next activity can be environment poster activity. This activity build awareness among the student. Give theme like save earth, reduce pollutions. Allow student to draw posters. Organize a mini exhibition in the class only. Ask them to explain their poster message. This type of activity integrates science with the values and creativity, and the presentation build confidence in the student.
We should plant more trees.
We must reduce pollution.
Wonderful ideas, everyone. Together, we can save our Earth.
Next is digestive system model activity. For the digestive system, use clay modeling. Student will bring clay, chart base or labels. Demonstrate how to make stomach, intestine. Let group assemble the system. Add label clearly. Now demonstrate digestion. Use a small bead or paper ball as food and make it along the model. So in this, so when the activity done, you can ask your student, where does digestion start? What happened in the stomach? So this visual presentation improve their understanding. When they practically see the whole process of digestion system, they will understand the concept more clearly.
Great job shaping the stomach. Now, let's add the labels neatly. Watch the food move through, from mouth to stomach to intestine.
Digestion starts with me. I mix food and break it down. I absorb nutrients.
That's right. You're all doing great.
So last activity can be solar system model making. For this activity, we create a solar system model. We can take clay balls or we can take foil paper, paint, thread. Assign each group one or two planet. Student paint according to real colors. Hang them in order from the sun. While assembling, ask which planet is closest to the sun, which is the largest. So you can even dim the light slightly for a space effect. This makes abstract space concept concrete.
Which planet is closest to the sun?
I have already uploaded videos on art integration in maths and social science. Do check them out. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more innovative teaching ideas. See you soon!